So if you are going to paint in the planner, then you will leave one page and draw on this page on the right, and I will tell you the size. The size of one side of this paper is 14.8 centimeter by 21 centimeter. So you can cut out your watercolor sheet of that size, and you can draw the same thing on that size paper. So over here, first I'm going to start with the outer case of the candle, as shown in the reference on the side. And so generally for me depicts new beginnings, a new ray of hope, a new year to accomplish your agendas. And it's a candle also depicts light and flame. So according to me, January, like a candle does depict the month of January very appropriately, and that is why I've selected this as my reference image. And now I'm going to draw the candle. The upper and lower lines are slightly curved, not straight and not very curved also, whether it's the candle stand or the candle both. Make sure you draw as lightly as possible. You don't want to press too much onto the paper. Oh yes, and Happy New Year, all of you guys, and just hoping you have a wonderful year ahead, and I hope you may overcome all the things that you were lagging behind in, all the areas you were missing in your previous year. I hope you overcome all of that and have a very happy year.
Stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try. I never listen to the words you say.
Now I'm going to take an eraser and lightly dab over my entire drawing to make my pencil lines light.